Pipi Kaithelakpam, daughter of Buddha Kaithelakpam and Gita Kaithelakpam of Bijoy Govinda Laikai, Sagolban, Imphal West, got BA Economics Honours from Thambalmari College. In order to make herself an economically independent person, she started her own Kaithelakpam integrated piggery farm in 2016 after graduation. Being a young girl, she had to face so many challenges and hardships in running her pig farm at the initial stage, but through her strong determination, she overcame the obstacles, is now able to rear over 70 pigs in her farm. People from both the hills and valley now come to her farm to purchase pigs.
I like them hek lurak pakanda I should go mama tauge habagi wakan sa ingon fauzer pani aduga ay nasum ay business singsi ay karam na ingon sana gani na traga akogi Manipur da su kitang tang po sa isu ay yengi hai tare adugum basi yeng kanda okse kitang loiba wat na brain ay wakanda dumai na khanba aduna okse puthok po wat pani na ay gi plan di matcha puthok kanda mayam da su loi khatlan bagi pandam adumaina tawraga semilon ama semna baina hona jabani.
In order to ensure more productivity and a long-term business that could benefit both the state government and her, PP drew the attention of the government and related department for extending any kind of possible assistance to her for promoting her business.
Aina kaya thoi hena kaina tawdre sarkar gi side gi di adugo hoi aina tawning pose ngasi hayeng heta tawraga loishan bagi wanate matam saangna tawning ma poni aduna aingonda lam darka oi adagi makon phajana saba machinja ki darka oi masi sinje mengkhatda ba hona bada sarkar dagi khidang ni mateng pame.
At her farm, she also rears ducks, grows maize and different types of vegetables which have the potential to provide job opportunities to many in future. She conveyed a message to the youth of the state that they should come forward rather than wasting their precious time.
She started with the M rather than waiting for the government job or the white-collar job provided by the state or the center. She started with the M to provide sufficient economy to the people in the state and to her family herself. She drew the attention of the authorities concerned to provide any sort of technical or any kind of training or assistance that could be helpful in her business to run the integrated piggery farm. With video journalist Lamjingbatomtv, Blessing Gang Mai for Tom TV News, Awang Kunau.